a lot of goats on this farm. This one is Rosie, and most of them are pregnant. And one of them just gave birth today. And now, a lot more, or like 4 more are pregnant, and one of them's expected to give birth today or tomorrow. And if you want to see, I'll walk you over to the newborn baby. Here is our newborn baby. It's already standing up within 20 minutes. That goat right there is Gretchen. I heard her screeching, and I was like, what was that? But when I saw the newborn baby, I figured out that she was giving birth to this newborn baby. So congratulations, Gretchen. So yeah, there you have it. If you enjoyed the video, please be sure to like, subscribe, leave a comment. And if you want this video spread, and I highly recommend you share. And I'll do more videos. So, see you next video.